Alright, so for this week I've decided to talk about a physics concept that's pretty simple, pretty basic, and also has a pretty simple demo to go along with it. And so this demo is just a pivot made out of a couple of bricks and a lever, basically. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be picking up this 10 kilogram weight over here. And the best place to introduce this demo would be after you've started talking about torques and lever arms, and that way you can ask the students, where would I need to place this 2 kilogram weight on that lever so that it would just barely be able to pick up this 10 kilogram weight over here. Now your students, they're probably going to calculate it so that the weight is too far and overbalances that 10 kilogram weight. And the reason for that is because they're not going to account for the mass of the lever itself. And so then that would be a good time to go in and talk about center of mass and about how you can assume that all of the weight is centered at that one point, the center of mass. And so once they do that, they can make some more calculations and they'll figure out that it's actually just a little bit further closer to the center than what they thought. And with any luck, they'll actually be able to calculate where it's needed to just barely be able to balance this 10 kilogram weight. So this is a pretty simple demo, but I think that it illustrates a lot of concepts that students don't really visualize very easily, and that way it'll help them with their physics tests.